Well, this is how you disassemble a fan. You unscrew this thingy one way or another. And in my case, I get a screwdriver. Apply a screwdriver to screws, if I can do this. Swap hands. Yeah. Alright, let's go. Also, don't ask me how I got a bottle cap ring in the fan. I just did. Right, silver at the bottom, gold at the top. Right, sorry for the bad filming. And I can just grab it from wherever it pops off, put that away, grab, it's covered in dust, ute, I don't even know where that's gone. Oh, there it is. Yes, my room is a mess. How? Grab the fan, cover, casually screw it back on. Right, gold, top. Wait, hang on. Oopsie daisies. Right, so now that's actually in line. It's going to be all over the place, I reckon. And I do apologise if that is so. It is late at night and I cannot be bothered to refilm this, because that means I'll just have to bring it in and shove it back in there again. Yay. Yay.